What's up, everybody? It's been 59 years since I made a video. Right now it's raining, and usually all my vlogs are when we're outside raining. It is Hurricane Matthew, and my brother's name is Matthew, so he probably caused this, and he's probably gonna freaking destroy our town. But this is only Category 1 right now, or 2. The Hugo hurricane, like 1990, was way worse, but my God, it's freaking crazy. Y'all can't see it, but it will get worse, and I will turn my camera right back on when it gets too intense. So this is probably how intense it is. So I'm gonna YOLO run. Oh my God, it's flooding down. It is flooding. Oh God, I slipped. I'm McFallen. Yeah. Y'all see that? I freaking fell.